fox or something up there. I don't know. He's running in there. Running in there. There he goes. Well, today is March 24th, 2023. It is 8:30 in the morning. A little chilly here, but it'll warm up. And I'm here at the Wall Street Mill parking lot. You have to kind of go on a little dirt road to get to this parking lot, so I guess that's why nobody's here except me. They got a bathroom here, that's good. And here's my trusty steed. There was no water on the trail, so I think the trail, I have to look at some of these signs over here and see what the sign says. Oh, my ears are a little cold here. Might have to put the old gloves on here. Let's go see. There's a trail up there. There's a trail here. Let's see. Barker Dam is that way. I've been there. Worth Bagley Stone. I don't know what that is. And Wall Street, which would be that way up here. So let's go up here. Take a look at this. I got my backpack on, carrying that. Probably don't need it, but I got gloves in there. I got my Geiger counter too. Oh, here we go. Worth Bagley Stone and Wall Street Mill. Right there, that's where we're headed. Yeah, a little hard to see on the map here, but I don't know. I think it's Wall Street Mill Trail 1 mile, because we shaved off a little bit by driving up here. So trail looks pretty good here. Looks nice, a little breezy. I don't have the spongy thing on my GoPro, so I don't know how the wind is going to sound, but nice flat trail. Look at all the Joshua trees here. So I gotta look back to where I was, so I know once I see the outhouse there. But trails, looks like it's pretty well marked here. Today's my last day in Joshua Tree National Park. Supposed to be sunny today. There were some high, thin clouds. I figured I'd get up here early. I know it's chilly, but I'll work up a little heat on the walk here. Brought my Geiger counter too, so when we get up to the mill, which I guess is a mine or something up there, it'll have some more information. Oh, a fork in the road. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. I think we better keep straight here. I guess straight is good. Hey, we'll follow it. No hurry today here. Oh, here we go. Worth Bagley Stone. Oh yeah, this is where the guy carved in the stuff on the stone here. Where is it? Here is where bit the dust at the hand of the keys. Well, I don't see the stone around here. All right, let's get back on the trail. Turn the camera off for a bit here. Well, there was a fork in the trail there, and I can't see my phone with my sunglasses in the sun, but I saw this heap, and I know everybody comes to see this. So it's an old vehicle here. Look at this guy. Look at his tires. Boy, those things are shredded up there. Let's see. Oh, the door still works. Hop in, take a little ride here. Yeah. I guess you sit right on top of the gas tank. Well, that looks safe. Yeah. Still got the old engine in it. We have a hand crank down here to turn it over. You got some of the old wires in there. All these years. Look at this guy. I'll take a picture of myself on here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. There it is. Just parked it here and left it here. You don't get much rain except for this past week. They got rain out here. But yeah, steering wheel's gone. Got the old gas tank, gear shift, transmission down there. Your brake, well, looks like you got your clutch pedal And the brake, I guess the gas pedal has been whipped off, and got manual choke. All the instruments are gone, the windshield's gone, but might have been a wire here for, I don't know, wipers or ground or something here. But yeah, look at that guy. There it is. Come back over here. Well, Shadow Man's in the picture there. Shadow Man is always in the picture. But yeah, okay. Let's press on here. Okay, back on the trail. This must be the trail because there's some other hikers up there in front of me. And just a lot of Joshua trees here. Good morning for a hike. Like I said, a little hazy sun. But hopefully it'll start warming up. I got a couple other spots I want to hit later on. Maybe it'll be a little bit warmer then. All right. The trail, there's a lot of little trails that look exactly the same, but see a landmark piece of equipment, so I know I'm generally going in the right direction. And then those people in front of me veered off to the right, so maybe they know where they're going. So I'll see when I get up here if I need to veer off to the right up here. All right, let's get a little closer here. Well, we have this fenced off here with a fence, but let's go around here. It looks like something would pull up to there and dump down there, or vice versa. Come up from there, come up here, and then dump down there. I'm not sure where the mine is. Maybe on the way back I'll explore this when the sun's up a little higher, I'm a little warmer. But yeah, still sitting there after all these years. But see what the other side has here. Coming down, take a looky look. And I've got a cactus here, of course, Chala cactus. And see where this track goes here. And yeah, the mine, maybe that's where the mine is, right underground here, because looks like maybe they mined under here and then pulled the stuff up, dumped it over there. I don't know there, but yeah, pretty quiet here. There's a trail down here, so maybe that's where it goes. We'll see. Well, there's another piece of equipment very close to the other one, which is right up there. This one down here. Looks like it might have been a pulley system or something here. Shadow Man's in the picture there. Sorry, I'll have to move around. No trespassing. Well, no trespassing inside of the wire here. So you can't climb on there, but I wonder how old that wood is. I forget how long this mine's been in operation here. But yeah, there's some pieces of debris over there. There's a long pipe that goes along here. There's a placard here. Let's go see what the placard says. Oh, we got some instrucciones here. Get my shadow out of the way. Wall Street Stamp Mill. And I'm trying to get my shadow off of there. And you can stop the vid if you want to read that. I'll try to put it over there where you get the shadow. Maybe I'll try to take a picture of it here. We'll see. But it's all right up here. Well, I had to put my regular glasses back on. Took my sunglasses off so I could look at my phone and see the trail. I thought this was like a longer, like 3 miles or something, but I got here in like no time. And the phone just says there's a little bit of a trail up here. And I guess that's about it. Oh, well, let's explore. All right, we'll come back this way, I hope. Well, I got my Geiger counter here up by what presumably is the mine shaft. Or maybe, I don't know. It looks like the track just ends here. So maybe the mine's over there. But it's reading about 80. Back home in New Jersey, I'm in a kind of a high radon area. Normal background readings are like in the 40s, 43. Here it's about 80. Well, we have a lot more rocks here and everything too. So still, nothing significant here. All right. Well, I was going to go this way because that's where My phone looked like it said to go, but I saw some other stuff here. Another vehicle. There's this big pipe here. The breeze is picking up a little bit, so I hope it's not interfering with the GoPro. Might have to put the spongy thing back on here. We shall see. All right, another vehicle. Looks like they had these vehicles, probably drove them on these dry washes here. Another pipe down here. Another pipe over there, maybe where they needed water. Some kind of metal grid here, something. Oh, that's pretty heavy. That's pretty sturdy there. And we got another jalopy over here. Still got the headlight reflectors. And, well, top of those bolts haven't rusted. Maybe they're stainless steel. It's like carburetor in there. Looks like it's been painted. This looks like a haul truck or something in there, maybe. And there's the transmission. Not much left of the old boy here. Walk around the other side. There's all kind of trails. Oh, watch what I'm doing. I was holding the back gate up there. Come around here. Yeah, back tires are gone. And yeah, there you go. There's the old engine there. Got the old carburetor, a strange looking carburetor there. Presumably carburetor. And looks like some other stuff down there. The old crank down there to turn it over. And look at these guys, still shiny here, still shiny here. Maybe that was chrome or something from all these years. Oh, my hands get a little chilly here in the shade. All right, come back on this guy here so you can see it. Stuff the old miners used to use here. All right. Well, I climbed up just a little hill here, but you can oversee there's that mine thing, shaft there somewhere. And that's the other second jalopy I found down here, but I think I'm going to have to go that way. And we'll see here, but nobody else around here. All right. Coming back down. I need to go on the other side of that building. I hope I come back the same way. We'll see. Well, here's the back of that contraption there. So maybe the mine is down here. I see a big tube, so maybe that could be the entrance to the mine. I don't know here. Hard to say. If I can come back up here, look around a little bit. Well, I'd have to climb over this giant rock here. Let's see. No, it's a little steep there. It looks like a rock pounder up at the top there. Those things that go up and down and crush the rocks. So, yeah. I'll have to look at that little map that they had on that placard. Maybe that would tell you more. But yeah, that thing can make a lot of noise. And there's only like 2 pounders rather than 4 or 8 or 12. And those would be just going constantly up and down, crushing rock there. So, all right. Well, like I said, it's got this big rock back here. More rocks to get the fence, so I don't want to crawl over that. So, meander down the old trail. Another piece of pipe sticking out there. Another pipe here. You got pipes going all over the place here. I don't know, maybe that Barker Dam is where they got the water, where the guy built the dam so he could have the water for his mine here. Aha, that's a possibility there. All right, let's go back down and look at that placard again. Oh, so this is just a crushing mill. It said miners drove here with their ore and put it on those things, so that's why they needed those vehicles for. Then it came in here to the crusher and came back out, and then more stuff was done. So they mined it somewhere else along here, but this is just the mill. Well, here's another man-made structure, something that might have been here to tie down into the mill, which is just over that hill. maybe some guy wires or something and part of the pulley system. I'm going to try to walk up the hill. That's my meter's only reading 84, 86 along the trail. I got up to like 116 in one spot, but nothing worth noting here. And all right, let me navigate the hill here. Well, I must be on the right path coming back, because there's the old jalopy that I passed coming up. So I'm going the right way. It's always reassuring there. Wind picked up a little bit there. Like I said, I'm right now on the spot where there's not too much wind here. But yeah, there's some other people over there. And there's the old jalopy here. All right, I can see the parking lot way down there. Oh, so okay, the stone said had been vandalized and repaired, but then the park staff removed the stone for safekeeping until a permanent solution to ensure the stone's safety is developed. So maybe that's back in 2014, 15, 16, so 5-7 years ago.